Most people think the financial top 1% is a club for people who were born into the right family, earned an exceptional salary, or got lucky at exactly the right moment. It isn't. The financial top 1% is filled disproportionately, consistently, across every income study ever done, with people who made 7 specific financial decisions that the other 99% never got around to making, not because the decisions are secret, not because they require exceptional income or exceptional intelligence or access to opportunities most people don't have, because they require consistency in a world specifically designed to consume every dollar before any of these decisions can take hold. The spending environment is not neutral. It is built to absorb everything available to it, automatically, continuously, without requiring your consent or even your awareness. The 7 moves are the specific decisions that redirect your money before the spending environment can claim it. Here are all 7. The financial top 1% isn't filled with exceptionally lucky or exceptionally paid people. It's filled with people who made 7 specific decisions that almost nobody makes consistently. The decisions aren't complicated, the consistency is. Before we continue, please do subscribe to our channel, as your support motivates us to keep producing such videos. Move 1. Automate before you think. The most important financial move available to you is also the simplest one. Automate 20% of every paycheck to an investment account before the month begins. Not save what's left after spending. Not set aside what feels comfortable after the bills are paid. Move 20% before the month sees it, before the weekend begins, before the spending environment receives the full paycheck and calibrates to consuming it entirely. On a $3,500 monthly take-home salary, 20% is $700. $700 automated every month at 9% average annual growth for 10 years. $134,000. $700 attempted to be saved from whatever remains after spending. The approach most people use produces approximately $8,000 across the same 10 years for the average person. Same $700, same 10 years, same salary, $126,000 difference from one structural decision about when in the month the money moves. The automation is not a savings tip. It is not a budgeting technique. It is the single most important structural decision available to your financial life, the one that everything else on this list builds on top of. Set it up once, this Monday. Before next month begins and the spending environment receives the full paycheck and the intention to save becomes the reality of spending everything available. Automate first. The month runs on what remains. $700 automated before the month begins produces $134,000 in 10 years. $700 saved from what's left produces approximately $8,000 from the same salary in the same period. Same money. One structural decision. $126,000 difference. Move 2. Kill every debt. Here is the move that most people get wrong. Not because they don't understand debt, but because they treat all debt as equally urgent. It isn't. The dividing line is 9%, the historical average annual return of a diversified stock market index fund. Any debt charging more than 9% annual interest is costing more than your investment account earns. Paying it off is a guaranteed return better than any investment available anywhere. Your credit card at 24% annual interest. Every dollar you put toward eliminating it earns you a guaranteed 24% return. No investment reliably beats 24% guaranteed. Attack this first aggressively with every dollar available above the minimum payment. Your personal loan at 15%. Same logic. Attack it. Your student loan at 6%. Minimum payments only. 6% costs less than the 9% your investment account earns. The math says keep investing and pay the minimum. Here is the move that changes everything. The month the high-interest debt clears, the month the credit card hits zero, the payment that was servicing the debt redirects permanently to the investment account. The $300 that was paying the credit card company now builds your wealth instead. The debt payment becomes the wealth-building contribution. Automatically, permanently. Any debt above 9% costs more than your investment account earns. Paying it off is a guaranteed return better than any investment. When it clears, the payment redirects to the investment account permanently. Move 3. Build 1 month. Before you invest anything beyond the automated 20%, before you attack the debt aggressively, before you build the second income, 1 month of your living expenses needs to sit in a separate cash account. Not invested, cash, accessible within 24 hours, sitting in a high-yield savings account earning 4% to 5% annually while it waits for the emergency that is definitely coming. 1 month of expenses for most people, $2,500 to $4,000. Here's what that $3,000 does that the investment account cannot. The $1,200 car repair arrives on a Tuesday. Without the cash buffer, it goes on the credit card at 24% annual interest, costing $1,392 total across 8 months of minimum payments plus interest. With the cash buffer, the $1,200 comes from the buffer, gets replenished over 6 weeks, and costs exactly $1,200, nothing else. The buffer doesn't build wealth. It protects the wealth being built by preventing every unexpected cost from becoming a debt event that interrupts the investment account's growth. Build this first. Everything else builds on top of it. 1 month of expenses in a separate cash account converts every emergency from a debt event into a manageable withdrawal. It doesn't build wealth. It protects the wealth being built by everything else. Move 4. Add 1 income stream. Your salary is 1 income stream. 1 stream means 1 point of failure, 1 job loss, 1 restructuring, 1 manager's Tuesday afternoon decision away from 0 income. The 4th move is building 1 income stream outside the salary within the next 12 months. Not a second job that consumes your remaining hours. An income asset, something that generates money from a skill, a product, or an investment without requiring your active presence every time it pays. Here is the specific opportunity most people overlook. Your employer pays you an effective rate of approximately $22 per hour for a capability the market pays $85 per hour for directly. The institutional markup, the gap between what your employer pays you and what they charge for your work, runs in their favor every day you stay employed without pointing your skill at clients who pay market rate. 10 hours monthly at $85 directly, $850. $600 of that $850 redirected to the investment account produces an additional $134,000 over 10 years on top of what the salary automation is already building. By month 9 of consistent evening work, the second income is real. By month 18, it is growing from referrals rather than requiring active client hunting. 1 income stream outside the salary, built in evenings. Starting this week, your salary is 1 income stream, 1 point of failure. The market pays $85 per hour for the same skill your employer pays $22 for, 10 hours monthly directly to clients, $850, $600 redirected to investments, $134,000 additional wealth over 10 years. Move 5. Never upgrade lifestyle. The raise arrives, $8,000 more annually, $667 more monthly before tax, approximately $480 more monthly after tax. Most people's lifestyle adjusts to receive it within 90 days. The apartment improves slightly. The dining spending increases. The car lease gets upgraded at renewal. The raise disappears into a lifestyle that now costs $480 more per month to maintain And the financial position is identical to before the raise arrived. The fifth move interrupts this automatic process at the moment the raise arrives, before your lifestyle adjusts, before the spending environment calibrates to the new income. $300 of the $480 monthly increase redirects to the investment account. The lifestyle improves by $180 monthly. The investment contribution increases by $300 monthly. The $300 monthly increase at 9% annual growth across 30 years, $544,000 in additional wealth, from one raise, partially redirected, before the lifestyle absorbed it entirely. 3 raises across your career, each one partially redirected before the spending environment claimed the full amount, produce over $1 million in additional wealth from money that would have otherwise funded lifestyle upgrades you stopped noticing within 6 months of making them. Every $100 monthly redirected from a raise to the investment account before the lifestyle adjusts produces approximately $180,000 in 30-year wealth. 3 raises partially redirected, over $1 million in additional wealth from upgrades you'd have stopped noticing. Move 6. Own the assets. The 6th move is the one that changes the relationship between your time and your income permanently. Build at least one asset that generates income without requiring your daily active presence. Your index fund growing at 9% annually, income arriving from money simply sitting and growing. At $134,000, your fund generates $12,060 annually, $1,005 monthly, from returns alone. A rental property generating $650 net monthly after all costs. Income from a physical asset that appreciates while it pays you. A digital product, a course, a template, a tool, generating $400 monthly from work completed 14 months ago. Income from effort that is permanently finished. The specific target for the next 5 years, passive income covering 25% of your monthly expenses. At $3,800 monthly expenses, 25% is $950 monthly in passive income. When $950 arrives every month without your active daily involvement, your salary covers 75% of your expenses instead of 100%. That 25% reduction in salary dependence changes every professional decision you make. The negotiation you can walk away from. The job you can leave without a replacement confirmed. The risk you can take because the floor is higher than it was 5 years ago. When passive income covers 25% of monthly expenses, the salary becomes 75% required instead of 100%. That 25% changes every professional decision. The negotiation, the job you can leave, the risk you can take. Move 7. Protect what you build. The 7th move is the one nobody makes until it's too late. Protecting what the first 6 moves built. 3 specific protections, each one preventing a single unexpected event from undoing years of deliberate building. Protection 1. Term life insurance. If anyone depends on your income, a partner, children, aging parents, a term life policy covering 10 times your annual income costs approximately $30 to $50 monthly for a healthy person in their 30s. It ensures that one unexpected event doesn't erase the financial foundation you built for the people depending on it. Protection 2. A fully funded emergency buffer. Not 1 month, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. At $3,800 monthly expenses, 6 months is $22,800. This converts every financial emergency from a potential catastrophe into an inconvenience with a specific replenishment timeline. Protection 3. A basic will or estate plan. The assets you build across a lifetime need instructions for where they go. Without a will, the state decides. The state's decision is rarely what you would have chosen. Wealth without protection is a structure without a foundation. Everything above is at risk when the ground floor isn't solid. 3 protections. term life insurance, a fully funded emergency buffer, and a basic will prevent one unexpected event from undoing everything the first 6 moves built. Wealth without protection is a structure without a foundation. Go back to the beginning. 7 moves, available to anyone, practiced consistently by almost nobody, not because the moves are complicated, they aren't. Not because they require exceptional income, they don't. Because the spending environment makes every single one of them slightly harder than doing nothing. And doing nothing is always easier than doing something. And the gap between doing nothing and doing something compounds across 10 years into the entire financial distance between the 99% and the 1%. The 99% doesn't struggle financially because of bad luck or insufficient income. It struggles because the spending environment consumes everything available to it when no deliberate system redirects income before the environment claims it. You now have the 7 systems. The question is which one you make today, not eventually, not when the timing feels right, not after the current thing that makes this month complicated gets resolved. Today. If you have no automated investment contribution running right now, move 1 is your move. This Monday morning, before next month begins, set up the automated transfer. $700 if the salary supports it, $200 if that's what's available, $50 if that's where you start. The amount matters less than the automation. The automation is the move. If you carry credit card debt above 9% annual interest, move 2 is your move. This month, increase the payment above the minimum. Attack the balance that is guaranteed to cost more than your investment account can earn. If every unexpected cost becomes a credit card event, move 3 is your week. Open a separate savings account. Start building 1 month of expenses before anything else. If your only income is your salary, move 4 is your evening. Identify the skill, name the market rate, send 1 message to 1 potential client. If your raises disappear into lifestyle within 90 days, move 5 is your next payday. Redirect $200 of the next raise before the lifestyle adjusts. If everything you earn requires your presence to produce, move 6 is your year. Build 1 passive income asset. If what you've built has no protection, move 7 is this month. Get the term life quote, fund the emergency buffer, write the will, 7 moves, 1 at a time. The 1% didn't make all 7 at once. They made the next one imperfectly, at the wrong time, with less money than they wished they had, and then made the one after it. That is the entire difference between the 1% and the 99%. Make the next move. The 1% financially isn't a different income bracket. It's a different set of decisions, 7 of them. You don't need all 7 today. You need the next one, the one most absent from your financial life right now. Make it today, imperfectly, with less money than you wish you had. Then make the one after it. That is the entire difference, is the